What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back with some more video editing. I'm going to video edit today. This is something that I actually thought I did, but at some point got confused, and if you've been watching my videos lately, I'm video editing so much stuff and so many layers of the content, like processes, that it gets so confusing. So, let's go ahead and take a look here. We're going to be editing this video, which is me creating a Defcon thumbnail. So we're going to say 4/11/2020, and the numbers are 25200. 4/11 24244, or no, 00, right? Yep. Oh, wait. 024244. Okay. Let's go ahead and drag that down. We'll verify once it's in. Import this. Imported. And then once imported, what do I need next? Video editing. We need my end screen. Then we'll grab this, drag it in. Go ahead and delete those. Tracks. Yep, looks like end screen. What's up, everybody? Trim a little bit off the beginning of that. Like right here. Relink those. Gotta find the hotkey for that. I do it so much. I got some more coming, so check those out, and I will talk to you later. Peace. Right here. Okay. Let's go back to the very beginning. Go up to Effect Controls. I'll say it a million times. I turn it up. I turn up my audio. I'd rather you be able to turn me down than not be able to turn me up. Do the same thing here. File save. Make sure we have the timeline selected. Export media. Select. Backlog gaming. Defcon. Well, it's not a tutorial. I named the file wrong, but whatever. Or folder. 1B creates a Defcon VOD thumbnail. Version 1. Save. Then we'll queue. Adobe Media Encoder comes up. Getting pretty late. I'm going to be editing a bunch tonight. Get a bunch of videos stacked and ready to go. Then I can create a bunch of thumbnails this weekend, hopefully. Okay, so once I hit this green button, it's going to go through the rendering process, and it'll be done. So thanks for watching this video. There's going to be a few more of these, actually a bunch more of these coming up. So thanks again. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.